basically you're going to put your money into the fishing industry, yeah?
Yeah.
And what happens in the fishing industry?
They kill the fish. Yeah.
They don't just kill them. They cause immense suffering to the fish first, and then they die.
The farmers feel compelled to continue to apply these deadly and destructive synthetic industrial fertilizers. Because tilled soil is hydrophobic and these industrial fertilizers contain large amounts of synthetic nitrogen, heavy rains cause agricultural runoff into waterways that end up flooded with synthetic nitrogen, which results in the formation of massive and toxic algae and bacterial blooms that threaten drinking water, kill aquatic life, and pose dangers to children, pets, and livestock. The most common and visible algae bloom in fresh water are the cyanobacteria, sometimes called blue-green algae. Cyanobacteria are single-celled organisms that produce the liver toxin microcystine, and they naturally exist in fresh or salt waters. But when vegan-supported fertilizers are washed into the water, the bacteria population grows unnaturally fast. This is called a harmful algal bloom, and it forms a visible film on the surface of the water, which blocks out the sunlight from other organisms such as coral and aquatic plants, which depletes oxygen levels in the water. Once the algal bloom runs out of resources and dies, it sinks to the bottom where bacteria go to work on it. This decomposition process removes even more oxygen from the water, which kills trillions and trillions more fish and other aquatic life. The problem is so severe that it has resulted in cities having to cut off water to residents, states having to close fisheries, and has caused massive oceanic dead zones that cannot support aquatic life.
They don't just kill them. They cause immense suffering to the fish first, and then they die. They don't just kill them. They cause immense suffering to the fish first, and then they die.
Back to the fact that veganism is not a discussion about health. Veganism isn't even a discussion about ecology. So crop deaths, though, or other things like nature, though, all irrelevant. Other things like nature, though, all irrelevant. irrelevant.
They don't just kill them, they cause immense suffering to the fish first, and then they die.